Hello, I'm Jeremy Wright, Senior Consultant at Umbrella Consulting, and in this SYSPRO quick tip, we're actually going to look at riteSCAN, which is a integrated WMS that is real-time, out of the box. And first thing I'm going to show here is how to set up credentials to auto login. So you can see right here with riteSCAN, I would have to go and type all my information in. But what I want to do is have that auto load, so my users only have to hit sign in. So I'm going to close that down. I'm going to go into the folder path here, C program files 86, riteSoft, and in the Windows client, there is a riteSCAN credential manager.exe. So I'm going to open that up. And when this opens up, it's going to let me put in credentials that I want to save to this computer. And in this case, I'm going to go admin. I'm going to put in my super secret password and the test company. In this case, there's no password for the company, so I'm going to leave that blank. And what I have to do here is actually tick these. That tells it to autofill those fields. The path here is already correct. The green text indicates that I'm all good. So I'm going to test those credentials. And login succeeded, so I know my credentials don't have a typo. I'm going to save that. And it gives me this little cred.txt file. I'm going to take that, cut it or copy it, and I'm going to put that right here into the Windows Client base folder where I found the credential manager. I'm going to paste that there and give it all the permissions it needs. There's my cred.txt. Now if I minimize this and close that, opens riteSCAN again, should see all of those fields auto-populated, so that all I have to do as an operator is hit sign in. There you go. Admin, my password, edu1 password, company password. It's grayed out even though you can't tell. So all I have to do, no typing, is just click sign in. And it's going to take me into the application. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.